Welcome to RepairSuite. First, log into your RepairSuite account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, head over to the left sidebar and click on Settings. You'll see another menu open up. From there, click on Category. Now you're on the category list page. Here, you can see all your existing categories. You can search for a category, edit one, or delete one at any time. If you want to add a new category, go to the top right corner and click on Add New Category. This will take you to the category creation page. Start by entering the category name. For this example, I'll use tablets and iPads. You also have the option to add an image for the category. I'm going to skip that for now. When you're ready, click the Create button to save the category. If you decide not to go ahead, just click Cancel. Now, if you want to edit a category, find it in the list and click the three dots on the right side. Then, select Edit. This opens the Edit page, where you can update the category name or change the image. Once you're done, click Update to save your changes, or Cancel if you want to leave without saving. To delete a category, click the three dots again and choose Delete. You'll see a confirmation message to make sure you really want to remove it. If you're sure, click Confirm. If not, you can always click Cancel. And that's it! That's how you create, edit, and delete categories in RepairSuite.